Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to turn off the dark mode in the Microsoft OneNote mobile app. Let's begin. Turning off the dark mode in the OneNote mobile app is a simple process that is kind of helpful because a dark mode can be harder to read in brightly lit or outdoor settings where the glare on the screen can be like reducing the contrast. So, for example, if your notes use light text or pastel highlights, they may be harder to read against a dark background like what I'm doing right now. Switching to a light mode can make such content clear. Alright, because I am one of those users who find the light mode more visually appealing or professional, particularly when working on organized layouts or sharing screenshots of notes. So for you to be able to do that, depending on your mobile device, I want you to click the three dots icon on the top right corner. You see that? There is an option here that says switch background. What will happen is if you do that, you see, it'll return back to the white background as it is, the default one. Now, working in light mode reduces the strain in low light settings because light mode is often easier on the eyes during daytime hours. All right. Especially if you use this the other apps in light mode, switching OneNote to match might create a more cohesive user experience because images or charts with a transparent backgrounds might display better in light mode, which I am using right now, because dark mode can obscure certain details. And of course, one of the users find the light mode a lot easier to navigate here in OneNote mobile app, which is easier to read content with certain colors. And that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.